Fluency sounds for E-R, I-G-H, which is usually spelt with a T at the end, I-G-H-T, O, O-A, and I spelt Y. Here we go. Read along with me as I read the words and point to them. Make sure. Okay. Her, soap, loom, verse, toad, night, herd, boat, fright, goat, cry, oak, coal, sly, my, gloat, try, verb, goad, bloat, might, board, right, soak, load, shy, foam, coarse, loaf, dry, pert, sore, fight, poach, slight, terse, roar, goal, fry, stern, blight, roam. Let's see if we can get them all on here. Looks like it. Or, perm, loan, blight, road, light, foal, coat, roach, cloak, foam, croak, coast, nerve, cry, tight, throat, fern, spy, moan, oath, her, moat, coax, boast, bright, pry, hoax, clerk, spry, board, bore, serve, why, groan, term, roast, herd, sight, toast, fright, float, sigh.